In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow or a highlight to a video on Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to bring in a clean arrow graphic, place it on your timeline, and position it so it points exactly where you want, all without complicated tools. First, we need an arrow image with a transparent background. Open your browser and search for arrow PNG. Switch to the Images tab. Here's an important tip. In the search results, avoid images that already show the gray and white checkerboard pattern right in the thumbnail. Those often mean the checkerboard is part of the picture itself, and it will show up in your video. Instead, pick an image that looks like it has a solid white background in the search grid. Click it to open the preview. If the preview then shows the gray and white checkerboard behind the arrow, that indicates the background is actually transparent, which is exactly what we want. Right-click the image, choose Save Image As, and save it to a folder you can find easily. Now open Shotcut, click Open File, navigate to the folder where you saved the PNG, and import it. The image will behave like a short clip you can place on your timeline. To overlay it on your video, make sure you have an extra video track above your main footage. If you don't, click the hamburger icon at the top left of the timeline, go to Track Operations, and select Add Video Track. Drag the arrow, PNG, onto this new video track, placing it at the exact time you want the arrow to appear. You can make it last longer or shorter by dragging the ends of the clip on the timeline. Keep it on the track above your main video so it overlays correctly. Next, click the arrow clip to select it, go to the Filters panel, click the plus button, and search for Size, Position, and Rotate. With that filter active, you'll see handles around the arrow in the preview window. Drag the corners to resize it, move it to the right spot, and rotate it so it points precisely at the subject you want to highlight. Take a moment to line it up cleanly so it looks intentional. If you're using a circle or highlight graphic instead of an arrow, the exact same steps apply. And that's all you need to add an arrow or highlight in Shotcut. If this helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.